Today I will show you how to create a simple block layout. Okay, and this is the heading, and this is the body part. Okay, title heading, set the title description, and set the image. Alright, there's some text about image. Okay, the title heading also. This is the photo. Okay, and about me and popular post. Okay, simple style. Now, how to create this? Create this, you need to go to editor. Okay. Now, in the body part, declare the header. Okay, and the heading is the block name, and this is for the footer. Heading name is footer. Now, for inside the body, and declare the row. Okay. For the left side, okay, and the class name will be left column. Declare the card class, uh, title headings, title description, and image. Set the paragraph for the image. Okay, first card, and declare for the second card title heading, title description, and set the image and set also the paragraph for the card. This is for the left column. Okay, on the right column, you need to add the card class, and this is about me, and set the image. You can declare the paragraph for the image. Okay, this is the simple. Now add the CSS style. Go to my style. Okay, this is the body style. Font family Arial. Set the padding all corner 20 pixels. Okay, set the background. Now for the header. Set padding, font size, text align will be center, and set the background color which will be white. Now for the left column, for left, and the white will be 75%. For the letter, so the right side white will be 25%. Okay. And the total is 100%. Now for the image, you can add the image white. For the card option, set the background color, padding margin, and this is the top for margin, and set the row after. Okay, it will clear for content, and this is empty, and display table clear. That will be both clear. Okay, now add the footer style, padding, text and background margin for the responsive layout. And set the left column and right column in white will be 100%, as 0. Okay,